Hello friends, I'm back with another interesting topic, adverbial phrase. How to use it, where does it come in a sentence, and many more interesting things we will learn today. An adverb phrase is a phrase or a group of words without having subject. It is the verb combination that works as an adverb in a sentence. Like an adverb or an adverb phrase also modifies a verb and show how, when and why an action takes place. Let us see some examples and understand this. Ram plays cricket. This sentence, in this sentence, Ram plays cricket. If I say like Ram plays cricket amazingly well. So, amazingly well, modifying the verb plays and explain us how does he play. So, if I ask how does he play, so answer will come is amazingly well. So amazingly well is modifying the verb like playing cricket. See the another example, Ram plays cricket at the park. If I want to give the information about the place where he play cricket, so Ram plays cricket at the park. So at the park is an adverb phrase giving information about the verb play, where he play. Now if I want to talk about the time of the action, or if I want to talk about when does he play cricket, I can do that using an adverbial phrase. As let's take an example. Ram plays cricket in the evening. So in the evening is an adverbial phrase modifying the verb play, given information about the verb play, when does this action happen. Now, if I want to talk about the reason why he play cricket, I can also do that. Let's take an example. He plays cricket to select in the team. In this sentence, to select in the team is an adverbial phrase given the reason why he plays cricket. So we just have seen like an adverb and adverbial phrase also gives information about the verb in a sentence, how, when, where and why an action takes place. Now I'll give you more examples to understand it better. Ria eats like a crazy person. So like a crazy person is an adverbial phrase, gives information about how she eats. Adverb phrase telling us how she eats. See the second example. He speaks to everyone in a peaceful manner. So peaceful manner is an adverbial phrase telling us how he speaks. Let's look at the another example. Rita is working in the kitchen. So in the kitchen is adverbial phrase telling us where Rita is working. I play with my kids in my free time. So when I play in my free time. In my free time is an adverbial phrase. Once again, I would like to remind you, an adverb phrase is a phrase or a group of words without having subject. His car is parked at the corner of the road. At the corner of the road is an adverbial phrase or adverb phrase telling us where the car parked. See the next example, very important. I want to make videos to help my students in English grammar. So why do I make videos? I make videos to help my students in learning grammar. So it's giving the reason why the action happens. So as we just have seen, as adverb phrase modifies a verb in a sentence. So an infinitive phrase and prepositional phrase can also work as an adverbial phrases. In the second example, in the peaceful manner is a prepositional phrase. It is started with the preposition but working as an adverb giving an information about the verbs how he speaks. Similarly, in the third example, Rita is working in the kitchen. In the kitchen is the prepositional phrase starting with preposition but working as an adverb giving information about where she is working. Rita working in the kitchen. Similarly, example 4, 5 and 6 All these phrases are prepositional phrases with preposition but working as an adverb. And example 7th and 8th, we have infinitive phrases. They are starting with an infinitive but working as an adverb. So that's it about today's lesson. Guys, I hope you really enjoy watching this lesson and hope you learn what is an adverb phrase. That is also called an adverbial phrase. I hope you can teach it to others as well, but don't do that. Learn it to yourself first, and if you have any questions or doubt, let me know in comment section below. If you like the video, click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. Share the videos with your friends and family members. Well, meet very soon with the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning.